dum, dum, dum. Hello. Hello. Let's reveal my Rainbow Dash. So you look at the box. Just peeking. Look at me in the box. It's a Rainbow Dash. Okay, this is the prize money. So yeah. Missing running. It says product and colors may vary. Oh, vary. What is this? Well, vary. It's very. Okay, let's go. Wait. I need to hold the camera. Okay. Let's open this. Yeah. Get this open. Get the. Look at this, the tape. I'm lazy to use the scissors. But. You can't see the tape. Dun 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 da 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 da. Get a Rainbow Dash, okay. Whatever. Look at it. Look inside. It's nothing. Just nothing. It's just a. Yeah, I'm gonna reuse this. Yeah. Get this. Okay, this is. Wait. Can't hold it. There. Get this. Wait. There, finally. The reason I have to take out the camera. That's all. Okay, here's Rainbow Dash. Look at the hair and the tail. I don't want to remove the elastics yet. Why her tail is so long? Why? That means I'm gonna use her for my mascot. Yeah, I'm gonna use for mascot. Yes. Ouch. And yeah. Let's take out the elastics now. I do. Wait, hold on. There. Yes.
Hey, you'll fill up the space of your phone. Use that for recording. You'll fill your phone very early.
There. Okay. Bye.